So guys, this is my brand new vintage collection, Gec Goldline. This is the 1984 model. So I'm gonna install it, and for the rest of inside the fan, the videos or clips are gonna come. This Goldline came with a replaced capacitor. I'm sure it is used as at a home or someplace, because it still has the original shackle and the original this cover thing. The capacitor was gone, so you can see the canopy melted here. I put a new capacitor. It's time to test the Goldline. Now we'll test the Goldline. Properly working, but it's slow, I guess. This is a 1984 Goldline, so that's a good age. So guys, the GC is installed, and yep, I ran it and I used a chisel here to get rid of this tape, but I'll have to use a better method. The canopies are in good condition. Let's switch on the fan. Yep, it's gonna be slow. The capacitor is bad. I replaced the capacitor. It's not a good capacitor that I put. But it catches speed instantly. The airflow is really good. It's easy. This is so airflow is of course gonna be good. There's no way it's gonna be bad. We all know that. There is some shaft play, so there should be some tuck 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 noise shortly. For those who are asking me about my other collections, they're in that cupboard, sneak peek. So the fan runs really smooth. I like the I can let it, even if I let it stay forever, it's still not gonna, it won't heat up. That's the thing. So guys, the shaft, it's not a shaft problem, it's just a loose nut. It's just the blade screws which are loose. The blade holding. See this angle? So thanks for watching. In the next part, I'm going to be restoring this fan. I'm just painting. I'm trying to find the original color, at least something close to that, so I can just paint the lower motor and the blades, because the upper portion of the fan is really good. Just the down rod needs to be touched up. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.